Guys, study. Hi guys, good morning. Myself Sangareddy. I am from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. So as you can see, there is a small change in our uniform. We have got few clothings as well as shoes for the students on their demand. So people are trying to go for the rally of Indian Air Force. As you can see, we have Indian Air Force rally in Sangareddy district. So we have a rally on 17th, followed by we have examination as well, that is adaptability test 1, and we have adaptability test 2 on the next day itself. What the syllabus exactly we have in adaptability test 1 is, first you will have physical and you will have a measurement as well, and you will be attending the exam of adaptability test. If you get passed through all those tasks which have been given on the physical date. There is no online application for this examination. Please, students of Telangana, whoever is applying for this, don't get panic. You don't have any examination like online application. You have a direct walk-in rally. It means you have to go with the domicile certificate along with the 10th class and intermediate. If you have, that will be more good. So better carry whatever the instructions have been given in the application or notification. So direct carry the respective documents. Your life will be decided on 17th and 18th of this month. So within the 3 days you will get selected, and the merit list will be given after few days. So don't worry, you will be given a good coaching. If you are interested, crash course will be given in our institute for the duration of 2 weeks from 2nd January to 15th January. If you are interested people can come and take the coaching. It's a very less cost, so do not get panic. You will be given physical as well as education wise coaching. So as you can see, there is a drastic change in the way of giving training to the students. You can go through my YouTube channel in the playlist. If you feel that this video get benefit for you guys, I want you to share it to your friends, whoever has studied 12th standard with minimum of 50%. If you think that you can crack the job, then if you want few guidelines to crack them, everybody wants to crack, but nobody wants to prepare well. Don't wait for merit list. If you want to crack, go for the coaching, irrespective of my coaching center or any other coaching centers. Take the crash course, what exactly you will be asked over there. Previous year question papers, you can see in the previous year questions which were asked last examination in the playlist Indian Air Force. So go to the playlist, you will find that, and hope those question papers will help you in making judgment from where all the questions will be asked. Even in the playlist you will find physics, chemistry as well as general knowledge questions. So in future you will be uploaded with the current affairs as well. So don't worry, you have various opportunities in future. If you want to crack any kind of job, you are free to come to my institute. So it's located in Kadri. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any queries, you can directly call me on my mobile 7666 730 252. So these students have been training for the last 1 year, so 1 month. So they will be going for, one guy is going for the Navy MR examinations, Indian Air Force, as well as is preparing for Army. So I hope you people, if you are interested, you can call me directly. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Have a great life.